Now, what is casting going to look like for that? Will it be via Zoom, or are you guys going to have people, heading out to a location?
Yeah, so we don't do as many in-person events post-pandemic as we did previously, but we usually will do a East Coast, a West Coast, and then maybe something in between. We always do CES, the big consumer electronics show in Las Vegas. So we did that in January. We've done one East Coast, and then there's a West Coast one coming up around the LA area at the end of March. And so that'll be an opportunity for people to connect in person. But if folks are interested in the show and want to submit virtually, just visit sharkpitches.biz. It's a quick 5 to 7 minute form to fill out where we learn a little bit about you, a little bit about the business, and then we'll follow up with you from there and see if there's some potential for season 17.